Now we're gonna smash a helicopter. It doesn't even work no more. Yeah, burn it. Oh my gosh. Look at the tail. Dang.
That's our candle light for now. We'll burn the bottom.
Are you gonna burn all the plastic?
Yup. I'm gonna burn the sides.
Let's just smash it.
I'm gonna smash it.
You wanna have a go? Oh my gosh.
Get on your side, ma'am. Sparks. You saw it? Oh, this metal thing. I'll burn that later.
Smash it as hard as you can.
It's already broken. Oh!
Dang, it's split in half.
Right. We're gonna burn the wing of the helicopter. All the wings are gonna get burnt today. Keep that lit.
What? Security guard doesn't see us.
Oh yeah, keep it on the ground.
Dang.
There you go. Burning.
Here. Let me try to hit it.
Hit it with the fire on. Hold up.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
There you go. Have fun getting smashing this.
Ooh, it's hot.
Well, move. I'm burning the wires. Might be a bad thing, but who cares?
There's a battery in there. Where's the battery?
There's the battery.
Let's try to find it.
Go ahead.
Oh, right there. It's right there.
And I'm burning the battery.
Oh, I think we broke it. I can smell it.
There's a campfire right here.
Ooh, it stinks.
Little fire camp for camp.
We need to chill because it's making a lot of smoke.
I noticed. Right. Put other stuff on it. If you want.
Ew.
Here, put this on it.
Let me get this battery out.
We're gonna burn both of these together. Right, Jonathan?
This battery out. I want to see what would happen if we make a hole in this one. The last one didn't do nothing.
Burn the metal. Burn it all.
Come on. How do we burn this wire? Never mind.
Burn it? Burn that?
It might pop.
Or burn that? Watch out. Oh. Ooh.
Ooh.
Hold up. Get a nail off a tree, put it, and smash it in.
True. Let's try to find it.
There's a nail over here, right here. I can't get it out though. You need to get it out. Here, get it out. Try to weaken trees so you can get it.
Oh, we get that one.
Or that one? That one. Bang.
Whoa. Dang.
No, it's tight in there.
Got it out.
There you go, you got it.
Come on. There we go.
Go.
Okay. Alright.
Something flew out of it. Here.
That was the battery. Ooh. Oh, damn!
What?
It stinks.
Here. Hold it.
Don't light it. Are you gonna light it?
Should I? Hold up. All the chemicals are out of it, so it might be safe.
Safe.
Is it safe, guys?
Alright, let's bring it in there.
Burn a bit. Yeah. Helicopter burn out.
Go.
Burn it?
Mhm.
Are you sure?
See what happens.
Oh my god.
Go.
Burn them
What happens?
straight down the middle.
I don't think anything's gonna happen. Let's burn this beetle instead.
That's nasty. Nasty. That's really nasty. Let's make it suffer. Oh, you heard it scream, guys? Oh, it's dead.
Nothing happens.
Anyways,
Let's go.
thanks.